Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify PayPal account. So the first step is to simply go to paypal.com and log into your account, or if you want you can use their official app. And then what you'll have to do in order to verify your account, you'll have to simply add a new card. So you'll have to click on add card or bank, and then you'll have to simply click on link a debit or credit card. And then here you have to simply enter the credit card number, select the card type, enter the expiration date, and then the security code, and then your address, and then simply click on link card. And then what you'll have to do is simply go to your wallet, and then you'll have to simply click on the card you just added. So let's say this one here. And then here you're gonna have a verify button. So simply click on that, and then you're gonna see something similar to this. As you can see, they will charge you a small amount of money, and then basically you'll have to enter the 4-digit code that appears on your card activity next to the charge amount, so this one here, and then you'll have to simply enter that code here and then confirm, and that's how you can verify your PayPal account. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.